Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share status updates on goals in Asana. This is a simple way to keep your team informed about progress, blockers, and next steps without sending extra emails or scheduling unnecessary meetings. First, navigate to goals in the left sidebar of your Asana workspace. This is where all your team's objectives live and where you can track progress over time. Once you're there, click on the specific goal you want to update. For example, if you're working on launch website MVP, click that goal name to open its details panel. At the top right of the goal panel, you'll see an update status button. Click it to begin creating your status update. A new window will appear where you can craft your update and communicate progress to your team. The first thing you'll do is select a status from the drop-down menu. Options like on track, at risk, or behind will give your team an instant snapshot of where things stand. Choose the one that best reflects your current situation. Before you start writing, take a moment to review the fields for collaborators, progress, owner, and time period. Make sure these are accurate so your update reaches the right people and reflects the correct timeline. If you need to attach any supporting files or images like screenshots, mockups, or reports, click the Add Attachment button and upload them now. Now it's time to fill in the key sections of your update. In the summary field, type a brief phrase that captures the overall status. Something like still on track for launch. No major issues works perfectly here. Keep it short and clear. Next, move to the What We've Accomplished section. Type a quick summary of recent wins such as dashboard finished, Stripe integration live. This shows your team what's been completed and builds momentum. In the What's Blocked field, be honest about any obstacles. A phrase like need final content, awaiting API approval helps flag issues early so your team can address them before they become bigger problems. Then fill in the next steps section with your immediate action items. Something like start QA testing, prep launch assets gives everyone clarity on what's coming next and who needs to prepare. If you need to add more detail or include additional updates, click Add a section to create a custom field. This is helpful if you want to highlight specific risks, metrics, or team shoutouts. Once everything looks good, click Post in the top right corner. Your status update will be published instantly, and all collaborators on that goal will be notified. They'll be able to see your progress, understand any blockers, and stay aligned on next steps without needing to ask for updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.